Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest integration with PocketApp. So here's the breakdown. If you use PocketApp to track your spending and budget, integrating it with PiggyVest can make saving even smarter. So here's to do it. Link your PiggyVest savings and investment activities into PocketApp. You can use it via the bucket tracking or transaction import. You get a clear picture of how your money moves, showing you both your spending and how much you are setting aside each month. This combo also help you spot pattern like big spending week, adjust your savings goal, and stay on top of both budget and long-term wealth building without switching between too many apps. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money budget tips, and comment how you will use PiggyVest and PocketApp together. And that's it.